Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. The principal of Bergview College, Lila Pematatiel Uyako Peter Ulea criminal injury charges against several people labatite abgum accuser ngokugrape a 7-year-old uqweqwe. So uthi nje bamoshele kakhulu isithunde sakhe ngento lengekho and ufuna kubasuwa tiya khala and ku loudspeaker uyathanda nje namuhla principal ose Bergview ukuthi ubusy usukumile uthi nje I'm not gonna let this one slide. Ngifuna kubasuwa laba faka phakathi labasuwa kufaka phakathi uJulius Malema, Fundile Gande kanye naFikile Mbalula. So siyambona ukuthi right now udila anema big fish, angeke aza ayele bantu sakuthi baningi kakhulu abantu lebe bathi vele guilty wayangafuni sample. Hey abantu labaningi nje they were saying ukuthi vele uprincipal wase Bergview College he's guilty or vele umgraphile mntwana akujike. So right now uYako Peter udila anema big fish bo Julius Malema, Fikile Mbalula kanye anaFundile Gande. So they are in trouble njengosukumile, and we are sure ukuthi like he's just not gonna let this one slide. And fun thing, bantu bamsupporta or people are saying ukuthi vele basuwe wena bakujwayele kabi, and the very same people labi bathi akaboshwe uprincipal wase Bergview, they are now standing with him saying ukuthi vele basimoshile isithunde sakhe akabasuwe. Wena nemuntu onemjikela njengetshwala sweet, nemuntu niyamjikela nje. Qaleni you were saying ukuthi principal wase Bergview akaboshwe, now you guys are saying ukuthi vele akabasuwe bonke labathite yena uguilty ngokudlengulwa mntwana wase Bergview College ligama lakhe nguqweqwe. Siyakho ukuthi lama charges they were dropped after iNPA ithi abukho ubufakazi bokuthi umntwana udlenguliwe, no evidence and no suspects, akunalutho onje la dropwa licala. But makwemntwana makwaqweqwe, she's still saying ukuthi yena mntwana ke wadlwengula and she will fight until mntwana kathola bulungiswa. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.